All right, I'm headed back out here to the garden for part 2 of harvest. It's in the evening, coming up on maybe 7 o'clock Central Time here where I am. So let's go on out here and see what I can get, see what I can grab real quick. And part 2 is not going to be that long, hopefully. And let's see what we got. Looks like I have more tomatoes. Got more tomatoes. This Roma looks like it is on its last leg, has seen better days. Don't see any more blossoms, so look like I will be retiring it pretty soon, along with the squash that I haven't gotten a chance to. It still got some that needs to ripen, but in this one, same thing. They were all transplanted around the same time, so I'll go ahead on and grab these that are turning color. I think I'll let those stay on. Well, I don't know. Yeah, I'll let them stay on there a little bit longer. Let's see, go ahead and get this one off. Okay. And these. And let's see, is there any more? Ooh, there's another tomato over there that looks like he's trying to bounce back, but we'll see if he does. There's my Pippin pepper, Pippin golden honey pepper. Hasn't started producing yet. I thought I saw some flowers. There are some flowers on it. So hopefully I should be getting something from it real soon. Let's see. No, this one has a few more tomatoes on it, but they aren't quite ready yet. This one, don't look like I see any tomatoes on it. Okay, so yes, these will be coming out pretty soon, and I'll be replacing those. Let's see. Got here. All right. Don't look like there's any more squash to get. Any more on this one? Don't look like there's any more on this one. Okay. Let's see. Oh, got some peppers. Yeah. It's turning red. So go ahead and get him. And him. Whew, kind of hard to get off. There we go. I'll go ahead and get some green ones too. Him. And him. Any more I need to grab? No, wait on those. They look a little small. I'll let them go ahead and keep going. Let's see. Let's check the melon bed. All right. Whoop. Look at that. Okay. I don't think he's ready yet. Oh, man. Let's see. I never know when these are ready. And let's see, all right. That tendril is still, it's not brown, so I'm going to leave him. All right, here's another one. Let's see. Is he ready? I don't see any brown tendrils. Nope. All right. So let's head on out to the let's check these other peppers up here real quick. Don't look like any of my Jimmy Nardellos. I want them to turn red. So I'm going to leave them on here. All right. So none there. Okay, let's go ahead and check. Let's go ahead and check the tunnel real quick. See if there's anything else left out there. Ooh, look like I need to be getting this basil. Okay, there's a couple of these principes I need to get. Okay. Don't see any more that has gotten ready in the last few days. Up. Yep. Going bad on the vine. Let's see. Here's a few. Okay. Ooh. Didn't realize this plant was aroma. I got my plants mixed up, and I put one of my determinants out here on the trellis, and one of my indeterminates, my vining ones, on the rack that's supposed to be staked. Let's see what else we got out here. Don't see anything else. Nah, I'll let him stay. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, and I keep having this is my fairy melon, and they keep busting on the vine. I'm gonna have to get him off. That's the second one that's bust. Okay, let's see here. All right, look like my sugar babies are getting disease. We've had a lot of rain, so got to deal with that. Okay, my black strawberries here, they are coming around. Go ahead and get those. Oh, quite a few of them have come around. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Let's see. These cucumbers, they are growing kind of wonky. I guess I won't bother with trying to get anything off of that anymore. Let's see anything else. Oop. I see a Perone down here. Let's see if I can get him. Go ahead and get that one. And there's one back here. I didn't get him. And this is this one, say Missouri Love Pink Apple. Okay. And looks like that's it. That's it for the harvest for today. I told you it was going to be short. Let's see. Oh, I think I might have missed a squash over here on this side. It's a baby. He looked like he needs to be out here just a little bit longer. Tomorrow he'll probably be the size of a bat, but I'll give him a little bit more time. All right, folks. Looks like that is going to be it for the day. I'm going to check on everybody else, see how everybody else is doing. See what my blackberries are doing. Don't look like I can see any that is quite ready yet. Look like we missed some right there. But everyone else is on the, let's see. There's one right there. If you can see him. See if I can get over here. Right there. I'm always being heckled for not tasting. Oh, he's not ready. Not an easy pull. So I'm not going to force it. Yep, don't look like I have any blackberries that are really ready right now. Look like my husband has been pretty. Look at that. I'm going to try him out. I get accused of not sampling in the garden, so I'm going to try it. A little tart. That's a little tart there. All right, let's see. See if these raspberries are worth getting. Yep, they are hair ripe. Yeah, may as well go ahead and take those off. Yeah, they're a little on the too ripe side. Let's see if I can find any more. There's some right there. Let me go ahead and get those. I can go ahead and get these right here. Pick these as fast as I can. I'm in mosquito land right now. And they really let you know they don't like you being in their territory. So, got me a few raspberries. Let me see, is there any more over here? No, they look like they're kind of petering out a little bit. Let's see if there's any blackberries on this side. Nope, don't see any. All right, that's gonna be it for part 2 harvest. Wow. There's my yellow doll. Looking pretty good. And there is another yellow doll. And right here is my black diamond. I finally got a black diamond, y'all. Finally got a black diamond. I'm so happy. So happy. It looks like something has been trying to nibble on it. All right, let's see. Up. Is that I think this might be a black diamond right here. Woo. And more yellow dolls. More yellow dolls. All right. Let's see. And of course, that's my lemongrass and a whole bunch of other weeds that I need to come out here and clean up. And these are my tomatoes that I'm going to be doing on a string, actually, but that'll be another video. Oh, I forgot to check my habanero back here. Real quick, let me come back here and check the habanero. More tomatoes I'll be putting on a string. That'll be another video. And my peppers, oh brother, I don't know what I'm gonna do about them. I'm gonna fertilize them to death and see if that can help get them to bounce back a little bit. Ooh, my habanero. He's looking kind of sad. I don't know what needs to be happening with him. Up, sounds like he needs water. Okay, well, let me go ahead and I'm gonna get these few. I typically don't like harvesting these without any gloves on, but I don't feel like putting my gloves on right now. I'm gonna make sure that I don't rub my face. How about that? Oops, I didn't see the other side. Well, there's something I can do with him. Oop, something was trying to nibble on him. All right. I think that'll be it. All right. Until the next time. Hi, it's been wonderful. Thank you for joining me for this short part 2 of my harvest out of my garden. And if you haven't already liked, subscribe, comment, please do. I'd appreciate that. It will help my new small channel very much. And I will see you guys on the next time.